guys, it's me, Ella. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Before I get started, I just want to talk to you guys about what happened to those other few days of Vlogmas that I missed. So as you guys know, I said I was going to be doing Vlogmas, which is a new vlog every day up until Christmas. So if you were looking forward to that, I'm so sorry that the past few days I have not been able to put out a new video. I filmed a video on each of those days, but when I went back to review it, I just was not proud of the video I made and didn't think it was that entertaining and that good of quality, so I decided to scrap them. So I'm real sorry about that. I'm going to be trying my hardest to do videos as frequently as I can, but I'm not going to promise a daily vlog because, as I learned, that is a little bit tricky for me, especially right now, not really being able to go out anywhere. I really need to get creative, so I'm going to be thinking up lots of things to be doing for you guys. And if you would want to leave some suggestions down below, you can. But yeah, so I'm going to be trying my best to be doing Vlogmas, but I'm not going to be promising a new video every day, so it's not going to be exactly 25 days, but it'll be as many as I can. Here's my outfit for the day. So it's just this little fairy shirt that's by Brandy Melville that I got at PacSun, and along with these jeans that were also from PacSun, and just some socks. So now I'm just gonna be getting ready for the day. Not very fancy, just real casual. So, do you guys want a little makeup routine? Sure. Okay, so starting out with this e.l.f. brow gel. It's like $3 and it's pretty good. Okay, just did my brows. Now I'm gonna do my eyelashes, and that's going to be it because that's all I normally do on a regular day. Okay, so I just did my mascara and I used these L'Oreal Telescopic and Glossier. I already talked about this in my last video, so not really gonna talk about that, but yeah, that's what we've got going on for today. So I come downstairs to microwave my Chipotle to find out that this is the state of my microwave right now. Completely broken. But I guess on a more positive note, my mom found this magazine in our house, and I remember seeing about this before. This is from a long time ago. This is from May 2019, and she just was like, oh, look what I found. I was like, okay. Maxie, say hi to my vlog. Hi. Okay guys, so I just got these candles and I'm going to be doing that trendy DIY candle thing where you take the candlesticks and you make them into cool shapes. So I just filled up this tub of water. So I'm pretty sure they have to be in here for a long time. So I'm gonna just, oh God, it's really hot. Ow. Okay, so we're gonna leave those there for like 20 minutes and check on them and see if they're ready to mold. Okay, so they've been sitting in the water for 30 minutes. So I did this one as a test to see if it would work. And this is how it looks. Kind of abstract, you know? I think it looks kind of cute. So now I have these three that I need to come up with something to do. So I'm gonna do the blue one next, and you have to do it in the water so it doesn't break. That's so easy to do, oh my gosh. It's like a little snake, kind of. It's a little uneven, let me try and fix that. Oh my God, that's so cute. It looks like a little snake, kind of, and then it'll stand up. I just have to fix the bottom. Okay, now I have a green one and a purple one left. And I wanted to do the one where it's like twisted, but you have to like, I don't understand how to do that one because you have to like flatten it out. And I don't know how you can flatten this because it's real stiff. So we're just gonna put that one back. Guess I don't know how to do that one. This one is kind of ugly. Ow, it's dripping all over me. Okay, so now I've been bending this purple one and it's kind of a weird shape. It's kind of a funky shape. I'm trying to make it look less weird. I think that's the best that I can get this shape to be. The water's cooling down, so I need some more hot water in here. Yep, that's the final shape I'm getting out of this one. It looks kind of funny. Now I have one candle left, and I don't know what shape to make it. Oh, it almost started cracking a little. It's breaking. Oh no, I think I ruined this one. There's cracks in it. Okay, so I finished making the candles, and here they are. They're so funky looking. I love the weird little shapes. So this was the first one I made. It's like a cute little pink color, and it's got this like weird little wavy C shape, and I think it's really cute. The next one I made was this one. It's like an S shape. It kind of looks like an N or a snail. Not a snail, a snake. This is super cute. And then I made this one, which is purple, and it's like a little spiral. You can put it in a lot of different positions, but I like this way. But sadly, the green one cracked and was not able to be saved, which is unfortunate. But at least I have 3 really cute ones. And this is where I put them on my shelf. These 2 up here and this one down here. I think it makes a cute addition. It's a little bit cluttered, but I like how it looks. Hey guys! We're in Walmart.
So I never said I wanted not to get made fun of. We're getting a Lunchable because I'm so.
We're getting a Lunchable for Alyssa's dinner.
Can you get a vending really quick? Smack
Hot dogs, I've never seen hot dogs.
I would not trust that. No, it's actually this thing in a hot dog.
They're raw. That was so fake.
What should I get? Change your clothes. Can I get a Lunchable? Oh God, this is really entertaining.
We're at the light place. We're at someone's house actually, but it's pretty. You can't see my face. Oh, no, I can.
I didn't bring my phone. Go! It's gonna get it!
When they're going too slow. Oh, it's coming again. Oh, it's coming.